Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 18th of June. These are the charts of the day. Well, the markets had a mixed session narrowly. There's plenty of stocks moving. Let's take a look at a few. AMKR in the semiconductor group broke out of a multi-month consolidation range, breaking through a triple top and spiking 341 or almost 9.5%. Volume picked up to 3.7 million. That's one of the biggest volumes we've seen since last December. So the biggest volume of the year, and I believe a new all-time high. Not quite, but it is a 25-year high. Might as well be all time. At the top of the channel, long term, if it gets through here, we might see some acceleration. So my next target is going to be mid-40s. CCJ in the uranium group, coming off the trend line and the moving average and lateral price support. So although it wasn't a significant move today, up $1.21, I'm watching this carefully because a pop here could get you to 55, even 59. CHWY, big move today as it pops from 22.67 to 27.08, finishing 26.12 up 331, a 15% gain. Volume picked up to 29, almost 30 million, and this is a breakout. Now it might be coming through its all long-term declining top line as well, and so watch for this one to make some extended move into the low 30s, high 20s, low 30s. Up next, CMTL, CMTL broke through today and traded 94.8 million shares as it spiked $1.60 or 74%. Late in the day in particular, it was active. As you can see, it popped after hours as well. Let's just keep this in mind. Currently forming some sort of coiling type consolidation, narrowing near the apex. Might be something for the next day or two, or at least starting Thursday. Nice pop breakout today. ELF. Well, the stock spiked through a double top today, jumped 18 points or almost 10%, and it's up against key long-term resistance at its all-time high. You get through here, you might be looking at 240.50. HIMS, strong surge, pop pullback, and then a run. This one is continuing its recent surge and in a rising channel, but it is at resistance, although it might extend into the 28.9 zone. HIMX with a big pop today, jumped from 668 to 747, finished just a few pennies off the high of 76 cents, 11.5%. You can see the volume of 3.5 million. It's one of the biggest we've ever seen on it. Now challenging the double top from back in 23 mid-year around 765. If it gets through there, we might see 8.5, 9. LICY has been strong of late. Take a look at this now. 5 days in a row, 6 out of 7, taking it from 280 to today's high of 566, doubling. But there is some overhead resistance. Keep an eye on it because if we get through it, you might see 7.5, 3/4. LCB Lazy Boy with a big breakaway gap. It took out everything, including lateral price resistance and prior highs. So although the longer-term channel top shows a little bit of extension potential, my target now is going to be 42.3 zone. And NNE Nano Nuclear, fairly recent IPO, popped out of a wedge a couple days ago and has just kept running. Literally went from 711 to today's high, 15, more than doubling in 3 days, and strong, and also now at the top of the channel. But any consolidation in here could lead to high teens. NRIX breaking through a key long-term consolidation range off of the rising channel bottom. Now this could be a breakout time. If it is, I'm looking for 21 to 24. Rocket Labs had a big day today, spiking from 445 to 499, finishing 495 up 61 cents, 14%. Just underneath key resistance, so we're going to watch this one for a pop and breakout. If it does, 5.5, 6, and 6.5 for your follow-through targets. And finally, SMR may have popped out today as it broke through, it looks like, out of a coil. The pop today took it up $1.04, 12%, 7.7 million, the biggest volume in 3 weeks. Now looking for an extension to 11 on SMR. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks at TechTrader.com for tonight. Bye, everybody.